Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to add or update your profile picture on the Uber Eats website using our browser. Personalizing your account with the profile picture not only makes it uniquely yours but also helps delivery partners recognize you more easily, ensuring a smoother delivery experience. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Uber Eats. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on the three lines at the top left corner. Then click on Manage Account. In Account Settings menu, look for the option to update your profile. Here you will find the section where you can add or change your profile picture. Click on it to upload a photo. You can choose a photo from your computer by browsing through your files or dragging and dropping the desired email into the upload area. So we'll click on Show All Files. Just for reference, when selecting a photo, aim for the one that is clear and professional looking. This not only helps in recognition but also adds a personal touch to your profile. By following these simple steps, you can easily update your profile picture and enhance your Uber Eats experience. This guide is perfect for both new users and those looking to refresh their existing profile picture. And that's it. Your profile picture is now changed. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.